Now the chapter Expert Detectives. Nishad, a boy of 7, also called 7 because his name means the seventh note on the musical scale, Nishad, and his 10-year-old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. They are very curious that who Mr. Nath is, what does he do, and what does he why does he stay alone? Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room and Nishad gets a chance to see him. And his marble, they were playing marbles and it rolls into his room and they had a chance to see. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face bad? Why has he no friends? Nishad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. So Nishad's mother is a doctor. Mr. Nath is a patient. So she knows that he is a patient and he is very polite. Now, as we walked back towards the clinic, Seven said, he doesn't look anything like a monster. Now, Nishad is telling the story. He is telling to his sister Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. So he is saying, can you see he is very poor. Then Maya says, he can't be poor if he's a crook on the run. He can't be poor. And he's a crook, he's a cheat on the run means जो जेल से भागा हुआ है. I told him, he's probably not got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. And she says that he is probably means possibly he has got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere. Stashed away means hidden somewhere in the room. Do you really think he's a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one. He says, do you think he is a lawbreaker? He is a criminal? He doesn't look like. Nishad is doubtful. He has doubt. Of course he is one. 7, I said. And he certainly isn't starving. He certainly isn't starving means he is not dying without food. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs, and he said that Mr. Ramesh brings his meals from the restaurant downstairs. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere. So, how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nishad said. He said Mr. Mehta had told them that he doesn't go for work, he is not working anywhere. And how he has money to pay for food? Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold jewels. And she said, he must have lots of money hidden somewhere, कहीं पे छुपा रखा होगा in the trunk, and trunk might be full of silver and gold jewels. What rubbish. Nishad interrupted. Nishad hinted, he spoke in between कि क्या rubbish बोल रहे हो. I know, I am right, stupid. She said, I am right, you fool. I told him, by the way, 7, did you see his scars? कि तुमने उसके निशान देखे? I couldn't. It was too dark. कहता I couldn't see his scars. He was in the room, but it was too dark. But I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. But I bet means she शर्त लगाती हूँ कि he had shootout and with the police and he had got those scars. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars, Nishad said firmly. And he said, my mother has told that they are burn scars. They are not with the encounter they have got. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. 7 looked unsure. Perhaps the police must have set his house on fire. For example, the police is after the criminals and they are going to catch and they don't come and then they hid in the house and they police sets the house on fire. And 7 looked unsure. He was not sure. On the Monday following Mama's birthday, 7 went alone with her to the clinic at Girgaon. And Monday, Mama's birthday, following Mama's birthday, after Mama's birthday, 7 went with her to the clinic. And as I was spending the evening with a school friend, when they returned, Nishad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. And he told that Mr. Nath, he had gone to see Mr. Nath as he was his mother's patient. So she was so angry. She was annoyed means angry. She was angry that she hadn't been there. She would have been there. She thought she had gone there. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. Gaunt means sickly appearance. He looked like a sick person and was sure that he was starving, and he knew that he was dying of hunger. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." And he told me that he had knocked his door and the man had opened it. Who was the man? Mr. Nath. And asked him, "Lost another marble?" And he asked him कि एक और marble को गुम कर दिया. He had obviously recognized my brother. Obviously means clearly. And recognized, knew my brother. "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. What did Nishad do? He thought that he was starving and he was weak, so he gave a chocolate in his hand. "Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seven?" I asked. And Maya asked him, Nishad, did you look into the trunk? Peek means look quickly and secretively. चोरी से तुमने उसमें झांका. Nishad looked disappointed. He was hopeless. He didn't even ask me in. That he said कि मुझे तो अंदर नहीं बुलाया इसने. Then he smiled. But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. And what did he find? He went to the restaurant from where his food used to come, and he talked to Ramesh. "Good for you, Mr. Detective," I said, patting him on the back. Patting him on the back means थपथपाते हुए कमर पे. "I hope you questioned him properly." मुझे आशा है कि तुमने उससे अच्छी तरह से सवाल पूछे होंगे. Seven looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening, and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And Ramesh told him that he takes 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he says he's not very particular about what he eats. And Ramesh said कि वो attentive नहीं है. He eats whatever he gets. It's always the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. And what did he eats? He's not particular. He's not attentive about the food. He should get different food. He eats the same food. What? 2 chapatis, some dal and a vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. He said he pays the money in cash and tips to the waiter also. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. Seven added. Almost every Sunday, he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room, and the same man is with him each time. And what he told, something strange, something different, what Ramesh told, that he carries 2 lunches. Sunday, a visitor comes to his house, and 2 lunches means lunch for 2 people, and the same man is there with him each time. He's tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. कैसा है? लंबा, मोटा, stout and fair, and he wears spectacles. चश्मे पहनता है. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. And Ramesh was telling that Ramesh takes the lunch for him, na? So he was telling that his visitor, the person who comes to him, talks a lot, and Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. Well done, Nishad, I told him. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we'll have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. कहती okay, you have done very well, Nishad, and we have made some progress. We have come to know about something about Mr. Nath from Ramesh, and we'll have to sort out all the facts. We have to clear out, and like expert detectives, one who detect the cases, so that we can trap the crook, ताकि हम उसको क्रिमिनल को पकड़ सकें. How you do go on, Maya? Seven side. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. कहते how can you say? Seven asked. Nishad asked Maya, how can you say that he is a crook? He looks ordinary. Criminals can look quite ordinary, smarty, I retorted. I retorted means replied angrily. Did you see the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nishad looked doubtful. And she said, the criminals can look quite ordinary. You can't make out that they are criminals. Okay, she told about the house, the newspaper news that Hyderabadi housebreaker, and he looked ordinary. The monsoons broke the next day. Monsoon came, dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. And the next day, monsoon broke out, and dark clouds, काले बादल आ गए, and flashes of lightnings, बिजली चमक रही थी, and बादल, roaring rolls of thunder burst, बादलों की गड़गड़ाहट हो रही थी. All their fury means अपने पूरा जोर के साथ बादल गरज रहे थे. Flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. Downpour means heavy rain. Schools had to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads, and there was an unexpected holiday. And the school had to be reopened after the summer vacations, but as the traffic could not move, as heavy downpour was there, water was there in the streets, so there was unexpected holiday. It was not announced earlier. It was unexpected when the people could not go, the children could not go to school. I thought I would spend the time usefully. I sat at my desk in my bedroom with a sheet of paper before me, and Maya said कि I thought I would use the time, the holiday, very usefully.